We donate profits from this channel to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. As you know, we've cruised on a lot of different cruise lines, and we always come back to Princess because we love the crew, we love the staff, and we really feel that you get value for the money that you pay. We also love to cruise the newer cruise ships because we love that new ship smell, and of course the newest amenities and the newest shows. This is a beautiful ship with a great crew. Today we want to give you a tour of an inside cabin on the Enchanted Princess. This is a great budget cabin for those who are looking to get a great cruise but not spend a lot of money. So let's get to our review of an inside or interior cabin on the Enchanted Princess. We're going to review Carib 725, which is located on deck 10 on the starboard side, aft. Those of you that have sailed Princess in recent years understand the medallion experience, but if you haven't sailed Princess, the medallion will automatically unlock your cabin door as you approach. As you enter, there is a short hallway with the wardrobe and the bathroom to the left. This short hallway gives you some privacy in the center part of the room where your bed is located. There are 2 twin beds in every room. These can be pushed together to form a queen to king size bed or pushed apart to be individual twin beds. The bedstands are about 13 inches wide and are movable if you should arrange the beds in a different format. There are 2 small drawers in each bedstand, and these are perfect for necessities or for small clothing items. Controls for the room lights are located next to the bed, and there is a USB port located in the base of each lamp. Across the room from your bed is a desk. Above the desk is a well-lit mirror, as well as a television. The television has plenty of live stations as well as on-demand choices. There are plenty of outlets at the desk, including 3 European Union outlets and 2 US outlets. We usually bring travel adapters that allow us to use either the EU or US outlets and also allows us to plug in multiple devices. There are 4 additional drawers in the desk. The top drawer contains a hard-wired blow dryer. The blow dryer itself is not very strong. If you're someone who has very thick hair, you should consider bringing your own blow dryer. To the left of the drawers is a small refrigerator. This refrigerator is large enough to fit several cans of soda or even a couple of bottles of wine. You can ask your steward to fill your ice bucket and place it in the refrigerator every day. As we head into the wardrobe area, you'll notice that there are no closet doors. There also is a very large upper shelf that is partially occupied by your life vests. Plenty of hangers are provided, and if you don't have enough, ask your steward for additional hangers. There is a cabinet in the wardrobe area with 4 substantial shelves, as well as a safe. The safe is large enough to fit tablets, phones, jewelry, and wallets. You might have difficulty fitting a laptop in the safe. As we head into the bathroom, you'll see that there are 2 hooks on the inside of the bathroom door. Bathrooms on Princess are generally smaller than we've encountered on other cruise lines. Other than the countertop, there are 3 glass corner shelves as well as 1 shelf below the sink. There are 3 towel racks above the commode. Princess continues to use shower curtains rather than shower doors. The shower nozzle is removable so that you may use it as a handheld option as well. There are grab bars and a retractable clothesline in each shower. There is a footrest at the back of the shower, which women can use to shave their legs or to store additional toiletries. Every stateroom comes with Lotus Spa products. Lotion, hand wash, body wash, and a combined shampoo and conditioner are provided. Just like other rooms that we've reviewed for you, there's 13 inches of height under the beds for storage of suitcases. Now, if you have 4 persons in a room, this might not be enough storage for all of your luggage. We want to note that many of the inside or interior cabins on Princess have 2 different orientations. Some of the inside cabins on Princess are horizontally oriented. We've stayed in one of these horizontal cabins before, and even though the locations of these cabins can be excellent, we don't like the way that the door opens up into the central part of the cabin, giving you very little privacy. If you need a cabin that accommodates more than 2 persons, there are cabins that have bunk beds that fold out of the wall. However, if you are looking for a room that accommodates only 2 persons, be cautious not to book one of these rooms, as you may be hitting your head when trying to exit the bed. If you travel in one of these cabins with children, there are guardrails available on the upper berths. Additional guardrails can be ordered through your cruise personalizer. Because storage is such a minimum in this inside cabin, we highly recommend that you bring magnetic hooks to assist with your storage. We'll put a link to those in the notes below. Another good space saver is an over-the-door shoe hanger. This allows you to reduce clutter by storing things such as sunscreen, hand sanitizer, and more. If you or anyone with you is mobility challenged, use your cruise personalizer to request in-cabin accessibility items, or ask your travel agent to help you request these. The Enchanted Princess is a beautiful ship with beautiful decor, great amenities, great entertainment, and lots of fun all around. Of course, there's lots of options for you to relax at sea as well. The staff and crew are incredible and will be there to make sure that your vacation is a memorable one. We hope you've enjoyed our review of an inside or interior cabin on the Enchanted Princess. If you have any suggestions or comments about this video or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.